The most popular best Omega watches search doesn't lead you to Omega at all, it leads you to Casio, Fossil, and Seiko. And honestly, that's kind of the point. Just because something sells a lot doesn't mean it's the right fit. Today, we're breaking down 5 watches that keep popping up in those results and why they might actually be better than you think. Product number 1, Casio Illuminator i1500WH. First up, the Casio Illuminator i1500WH, a digital powerhouse that looks like it belongs on a NASA mission. At just $40.56, this isn't trying to be fancy, it's built to last. If you want a no-nonsense watch that handles daily abuse, gym sessions, and late-night hikes without breaking a sweat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The CR2032 battery lasts a full decade, so you're not hunting for replacements every year. The 100-meter water resistance means you can swim, snorkel, or get caught in a storm without worry. The 100-second stopwatch and 5 alarms make it ideal for athletes or parents juggling schedules. And that amber-LED backlight, it's not just bright, it's readable in pitch darkness without blinding you. Here's the thing though, at 57 grams, it's light enough to forget it's there, and the resin build is what keeps it tough and affordable. This is perfect for you if you need function over fashion, think students, outdoor workers, or gym goers. Skip this one if you're dressing for a wedding or business meeting. For under $45, it's one of the best value for money watches out there. Product number 2, Fossil Nutra Chronograph. Now, if the Casio's digital look felt too utilitarian, the Fossil Men's Nutra steps in with mid-century charm. Priced at $228.41, this 40-form chronograph blends vintage architecture with modern reliability. If you want a dressy but functional watch that turns heads at dinner or the office, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cream satin dial with Roman numerals gives it a timeless elegance, while the quartz movement ensures accuracy down to the second. The 50mm water resistance means you won't panic if you splash your hands or get caught in rain, just don't take it diving. The genuine leather strap is comfortable and ages beautifully, and it's interchangeable with any 22mm Fossil band. Now some people complained about the mineral crystal scratching over time. Here's the thing though, it's hardened, so it resists daily wear, but if you're working with tools or in rough environments it might show marks. Still, for office wear or date nights it holds up. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, everyday watch with a classic vibe. Skip this one if you need serious sport functionality or deep water diving. At this price, it's a solid entry into premium fashion watches. Product number 3, Seiko Essentials SWR052. Alright, that Fossil was stylish, but the next one takes a cleaner, more minimalist approach. The Seiko Essentials SWR052 at $214.45 is all about quiet confidence. If you want a refined, no-fuss watch that works from boardroom to brunch, this is worth a serious look. The caliber 4N30 quartz movement is known for precision and low maintenance. The 30mm water resistance is enough for hand washing or light rain, just don't submerge it. The cabochon crown adds a subtle luxury touch, like something you'd see on a vintage dress watch. Now some people complained about the smaller face size. Here's the thing though, it's designed for a refined look, not to dominate your wrist. If you have smaller wrists or prefer understated style, this is a win. This is perfect for you if you value elegance and reliability in a compact form. Skip this one if you want bold design or heavy-duty sports features. For Seiko quality at this price, it's a quiet masterpiece. Product number 4, Seiko 5 Sports SSK003. Now, if the Essentials felt too delicate, the Seiko 5 Sports SSK003 brings the heat. At $471.09, this automatic GMT watch is built for adventurers. If you want a rugged, self-winding watch that tracks time across time zones, this is worth a serious look. The blue dial with luminous hands and markers glows in the dark, perfect for night hikes or early flights. The black and blue GMT bezel lets you track a second time zone, ideal for travelers, and 100mm water resistance means it's dive ready. Now some people complained about the weight. Here's the thing though, the stainless steel case and bracelet give it a solid, premium feel. It's not for someone who wants something light, but if you want durability and presence, it delivers. This is perfect for you if you travel often or love outdoor activities. Skip this one if you prefer slim, lightweight watches. At this price, it's a serious tool watch with style. Product number 5, Fossil Townsman Automatic. Finally, the Fossil Townsman Automatic at $209.31 blends vintage soul with modern mechanics. If you want a skeleton watch that shows off its inner workings without the luxury price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic movement means no battery, just wear it daily and it keeps ticking. The 40-form case gives it presence and the leather strap keeps it comfortable. Water resistance up to 50 m handles splashes and showers. Now some people complained about needing to manually wind it if it stops. Here's the thing though, that's normal for automatics. Just give the crown 40 turns and it's ready. It's not high-tech, but that's part of the charm. This is perfect for you if you love mechanical watches and want something conversation starting. Skip this one if you want digital features or deep diving. For under $210, it's a rare blend of style and mechanics. So there you have it, 5 watches that dominate the best Omega search, even though none are Omega. The Casio wins on value, the Fossil Neutra on style, the Seiko Essentials on elegance, the Seiko 5 Sports on function, and the Fossil Townsman on mechanical charm. None are perfect, but each shines in its own world. If you came looking for Omega, maybe you found something better, something that actually fits your life.